Hey everyone, Matt's Mox here, and I'm sorry for any background noise, but we're going to be looking today at ride trains, which you could also find them under Roy Stevens on Facebook. HOn3 cars. These ones I'm looking at specifically are cars I bought for a railroad I'm modeling, so they're not painted in what they should be. These are the Denver Rio Grande duckbills, but as you know, I hate the Denver Rio Grande, so I disguised them as Bill Myers and Small coaches from the Peach Bottom, and the Lancaster, Oxford, and Southern. I have two, of course, because, you need to have more than one car, and they're both painted in different eras of Lancaster, Oxford, and Southern. This is in Peach Bottom yellow, and this is in the LO&S red. Now, if someone made the motor car that they had too, I would buy it immediately. But we're looking at coaches. So I have two of them. One of them that's partly dismantled and indeed just fell apart. And the other one, which is fully done up. I even included on this the Prescott Hobbies link pin couplers, which I do want to do a review of those at some point because I have not seen anyone do it. However, as you can tell, they work pretty good. I had to make some modifications to allow them to work on these coaches, as you can see. And again, these work really good. So, underside, I did not put the holes in or the rigging underneath yet because sometimes I just don't want to do that. In fact, I am so lazy that I just realized there was a wire on the floor that fell earlier. I didn't realize it. But the cars themselves, they come with the trucks, less the wheels. They use Micro Trains wheels or KD wheels. I'm using KDs in this car. Wheels really good. His trucks are very well designed. Then it comes with the screws that hold the trucks on. The ends are part of the body, which also the roof is part of the body, but it has this floor, and then inside you get 3 sections which look like this. This came from the red car, and you get 2 that are just full seats, and then 1 that has a bathroom and a stove, but the interior is different depending on which car you get. So obviously these are only these ones. There is a combine interior, and he also does the business cars and the RPO. So, and actually, you can see on this one, this is just a frame. You get it like this. Again, wheels go on. It rolls really good, and it's already centered, so very easy to use. It just works. You can kind of see how long it is compared to the car. The cars are fully detailed. This one, sadly, the one roof vent broke off in transit. It's not his fault. This one, as you can see, both survive. Very detailed overall. Of course, again, the interior's kind of just loose in there on this one because I didn't feel like finishing it. The window glass is also included on these cars, which is another big benefit. Let's just stick that seat back up in there. It just kind of goes up like that. Sits in there on like a lip. And then you just put the coach body down and you could glue it all in place. And look at that. You basically get a ready car that's ready to go. Doesn't take that long really to work with. Doesn't take that long to paint. It took me only like about 30 odd minutes to do because I did it by hand. Did the roof. What took the longest was just painting inside of there. Of course, painting the handrails to make them nice. But, of course, the interior. But yeah, these are very nice cars. Again, they look so good. I don't like Rio Grande, but this is about the closest you get to ready to run without being Blackstone. And compared to Blackstone, you have so much more variety. And it looks really good. You could do it however you want it. He offers a lot of roads so far. He's still working on more. Like, he's got, of course, a big Rio Grande collection because, Rio Grande. He's got a few Colorado and Southern cars. I know he wants to do some more Southern Pacific Southern Pacific lines, the Coastal SP, not the Slim Princess one. And that also is the car that was on, what's that railroad called that the Disney guy owned? Grizzly Flats. But yeah, again, very nice cars, and I'll have to review the Prescott link pins eventually, which this car will be in that video for that. But yeah, that's really it for this video. I do have another video that I'm going to do with his stuff eventually, because I am partly responsible for a little thing. And I will see you all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.